What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing the install on the Jeep for the Draglink. So it should be a fun time. There it is over there, doing its thing, hanging out halfway in the garage. So we're going to do that today, and we're going to see how it goes. Alright, so first we got to start by we're going to take it out of the pitman arm first. We also got to pop it off of steering stabilizer and then off the knuckle. So we're going to start with that guy there. Move down the steering stabilizer on both ends, and we'll finish off at the knuckle. And we'll see how it goes. Now this is why we're changing out this Draglink. This is supposed to be in the knuckle. Way too much slop in this thing. This thing is beat. When you're driving the Jeep, it's just all over the road. So that ball joint's beat. This one, nice and stiff still, not too bad. As you can also see on this one, the grease is out, the boot is blown out over here. So that's why we're putting in this new guy here. Put her into the Jeep. Now, how I like to do this is we're going to measure the overall distance of the old Draglink here, so we get the same distance out of the new Draglink. Then we don't have to do an alignment and stuff like that and waste time doing an alignment or bringing it over to the shop and having it done on the alignment rack or at the shop. So we're going to go ahead right now. We're going to measure this guy. We're going to get a length on it, see how long it is, and we're going to do it to the new one, get that all adjusted, and then we're going to go ahead and put it back in the Jeep, and we'll get going. Nice. Good old grease. Just to make sure our measurement's pretty good. Go from a stationary point as well, from the grease fitting to grease fitting, because these are going to be directly in the center. Normally you could also measure shafts too, but since this is so loose, can't get an accurate measurement on it. Yeah, that's the money right there. So now we have our new Draglink. New Draglink, the same length as our old Draglink, so we won't have to do an alignment or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the sleeve tightened up here, and then we're gonna put it back in the Jeep. Okay, we got the Draglink in here. Crank up these guys. These are castings here. There is a hole that goes through the ball joint shaft there. You have to line the gap up to put the pin through. But let me get steering stabilizer back in. Road door. go. Switch to the big power. We're gonna go with this guy. Alright, tie in. How's that taken care of it? Nope, that's that bigger second. Let's go a little more rotation. New Draglink came with counter pins. So. We're just gonna get these guys in here. Pin. Pop that guy in there. Beautiful. That guy's in. Gotta tighten it back anymore. Well, let's see if we can get this a little bit better with the flathead. It's easy go in the background. That guy's good. Now these are all pre-greased, so I don't have to worry about that. Both ball groups there. Let's just make this one a little better over here. Alright. Get a socket on there, 3/4, and tighten that guy. Alright, we should be good there. Okay, well, that's about it. Got the new Draglink in here, so I'm gonna clean the tools up and we'll back her out and take her for a little ride, see how she is. So we're in the Jeep with the new Draglink with Babe. Babe, say hi.
Hello.
So we got the new Draglink in. Got a little issues with it though. Steering wheel's